Good evening, everyone. Welcome to this wonderful night. Did you know that when a star is born, they possess a gift or two? One of them is this. They have the power to make a dream come true. So come with us now, as we go on a magical journey through the stars and dream the night away.
Dear friends, come with me on a magical journey kissed by starlight. By virtue of starlight and all that is good, may each and every one of your dreams come true. Do as dreamers do and wish upon a star.
Where did you go? Wow, look at that. I made a wish on a star, and the star answered. Wow, one wish made all of this. This is more than I could have ever dreamed possible. The stars are so inspiring.
wonderful. From up here, the street lamps look like stars. Peter, do you think all those people can hear us?
Only one way to find out. Hello! There it is, Bernice.
It's a dream to be up here among the stars.
Yup, it's a wish come true.
Oh my, have you ever seen anything so wonderful?
The magic of Starlight is all around us. Gosh, Minnie, have you ever seen the stars